Today is a very special day. We will be remaking the logo of one of my favorite games ever, The Last of Us. There was recently a live adaptation that was produced with the actors Pedro Pascal and Bella Ramsey. It is insane how they matched up each and every scene identically to how it was in the game. But let me say no more. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna first do is click on create new, and then we're gonna make it the width 1080 by 1080. Oops, let's change that, 1080 by 1080, and we're gonna make it in pixels. And then just change that. Okay, we don't need to bleed at all. Cool. Make it RGB, and yeah, leave everything as is. Doesn't really matter what raster effects you want to leave it as. Just I say let's leave it on medium just for now. Okay, let's get started. So here we have the blank page. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to my files, and I'm going to the file where I stored the font. So the font is called ACC Compactor. Okay, so you can download this off of the internet. It's free. So yeah, so that's a good thing. So, and then once you right click, extract, when you want to download it, just type in a ACC Compactor free font and you will get it basically. And then you want to look for these, and you see how by title it actually gives you the actual name. Let's just have a look there. By title it actually gives you the actual name. It says Acca Acid RGR. So yeah, double click on that and then say install. I already installed it, so I'm not going to do that. So let's go back here. I'm going to be using this image. I'll leave the link to the image, and I'll leave a link to the text as well below. Put the image inside. So when the image does that, what you're going to want to do is just go to the image, right click, and then say open with paint. Then there's the image. You're going to say file, save as a JPEG, save it in the same folder. Let's just call it RF. Cool. Replace it, yes. Cool. RF. Let's move the image now in, and there you go. And that works with any image. Normally that works when you're trying to import a picture from WhatsApp. That's the prompt that normally comes up. So yeah, I just gave you guys the extra tip there. So now let's make the image a bit smaller. I'm gonna put the image on the side there. Then let's get the font up and running. So here we go. Open up a text box. I click the text tool over there. The type tool, and let's go type in, turn your caps lock, The Last of Us. Cool. Let's make the text size 250. Oh, 250 is kind of big. Let's make it 200. Cool. Space there, put off there, press enter, and then highlight. Go to the top here to change the text to Acca Acid R Compactor, and there we go. As you can see, it's a bit more spaced out than in the actual logo. So what we're going to do is, when you see that, you go here to the top that says character panel, and then you're going to lower it so that it gets a bit closer. Okay, that's a bit too close. Let's give it some space, like there. Cool. Then what we'll do is we are going to make the image shine through the actual text. So there's the logo. Right click, create outlines, make it bigger. Cool. Now we're gonna make the image bigger. Actually, let's make the text a bit smaller, like that. Make the image like this so that Joel and Ellie can be shining through. My favorite characters. Make the picture a bit smaller. Make the wording in white. Go here to the left hand side where it says full, or you can go at the top here, but yeah, where it says full. There we go. Select white. Awesome. And make sure you are on the foreground color that says full, not the stroke, because yeah, just now you change the color there and it doesn't change. So yes, so what you're going to do now is select the text and then select the picture and say on the right hand side here, it's something called transparency. It's like 2 circles there that you'll be able to find. Click on that. Once you have both selected, click on make mask. Then it's gonna make it shine through like it is over there. Let's release quickly so that Ellie's face can also be in it. Let me just find a nice place for Ellie. Cool. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is make mask. There we go. And there we go. You have the Last of Us logo and you learn how to use the masking tool. Don't stress too much about this. What you could do with regards to this is release. I like to crop it. On the top here there's something called crop. Cool. Make it smaller so it's in the shape of the actual font. Apply. Select both. Make mask, and there we go. And there's the Last of Us font. I am super amped for the next episode. But yeah, it's episode 6 coming. I'm not quite sure when you watch this video what episode will be coming, but I am super amped. Can't wait to watch it. It's gonna be awesome. But thank you guys for watching. Just leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye. If you guys are looking for any corporate branding such as logos, business cards, and more, please contact us on our website www.astrodesigns.co.za. If you would like to check out some of our work, don't be afraid to visit our Instagram page or our Facebook page.